Do you suffer from nagging back pain? Chances are the nerve-rich facet joints on the backside of your spinal column are damaged and need treatment, or even worse, the discs may be to blame for causing the pain. So what are your options? Well, you can ignore it like many others do, but that's only going to make the situation worse. You may opt for some rest, go for therapy, or take medicine. Now, while they may help alleviate your pain temporarily, they certainly won't address the root cause. Surgery should definitely be your last resort. You may be wondering, isn't there anything that is holistic or a more natural solution to this back pain you're having? Actually, there is. With our pain-relieving chiropractic adjustments in your arsenal, you can finally put an end to your back pain once and for all, without needing surgery or taking medication. Our experienced chiropractors will work with you to help you keep your spine, discs, and soft tissues in the best possible shape and functioning the way they should. What are you waiting for? Contact us today.